Hello, Aldress here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix any problems and issues with the Google Maps app on the iOS. So first thing you want to check is go to the App Store. Here, Maps, Google Maps, yeah. You take your app and you need to find out if you have the newest version. Here you have the version, and if the update is available, update should be right here when you have the open. If you updated the app to the newest version and still get some issues, I'm gonna show you more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, find your maps app right there, and you need to set location. Doesn't really matter, you can click anything. Siri on the fabric, better to be fabric right here. Search like this, fabric. Live activities on, background app refresh on, default navigation app, Google Maps, it's better to be on, and English doesn't matter, the language. So after this, you have still some issues. You need to set any other app to the default. Go right here, hold your app, uninstall and uninstall App Store, and just reinstall the app. After this, all the issues should be fixed. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.